December. East Midtown Manhattan. Holiday shoppers bundled against the cold dart in and out of Bloomingdale's or one of hundreds of other stores in the neighborhood. Workers hurry out of office towers for a quick lunch or meeting, then hurry back to their desks. Everyone is rushing. Everyone's in motion. Until the sound of music fills the air. People stop and they smile and they remember that December is the holiday season and that East Midtown Manhattan is a special place. In December 2014, the East Midtown Partnership hosted its second annual holiday concert series, Sounds of the Season. 11 performances were held over a 2-week period at 7 different locations throughout the community, bringing holiday cheer to thousands of people. People who had been busy shoppers, workers, and pedestrians, but now found themselves enjoying the sounds of the season and recapturing the true meaning of the holidays. The performers were diverse, drawn from throughout the community. The staff and faculty carolers from Turtle Bay Music School, which provides the highest quality music education and experiences to members of the community. The enthusiastic 4th and 5th grade chorus from Beekman Hill International School, PS 59. The Lighthouse Guild Vocal Ensemble from the Philemon M. D'Agostino Greenberg Music School, the nation's only music school dedicated to helping people pursue their interests in music while overcoming the challenges of vision loss. The Unforgettables Chorus, the first chorus of its kind for people with dementia and their family members and friends. The Bell Choir from the Hewitt School, whose members delivered an exciting outdoor concert on a particularly cold and blustery day. At the Harmon Store on Madison Avenue, DJs Mark and Adam James from Plum Radio spun holiday music on the weekends. Turtle Bay Music School's Jay Yee, a world-class harmonica virtuoso, also brought his unique talents to the streets of East Midtown. And at St. Bart's Church, musical performances sponsored by Gotham Early Music Scene brought the music of Johann Sebastian Bach to enthusiastic audiences. From school children to senior citizens, from polished professionals to individuals enriching their lives through music therapy, from chamber music to DJs, from Christmas carols to Hanukkah songs to popular classics, from voices to bells to harmonicas, Sounds of the Season offered a wide range of music from diverse members of the community. But, varied as it was, Sounds of the Season had one common thread. Each performance reminded those people who had been rushing past on their way to the next store, the next meeting, the next subway train, to stop, relax for a moment, and reclaim the joy of the season.